Okay. I think I'm just going to do one more and call it a night. I'll have to look back through the track logs to see how many landings I've done. I did about 6 or 7. 1 4, 3 on 1 4, 1 on 3 2, and about 4 on. Alrighty, Golf 9 coming up. Gently on the brakes. Get set up right here. Come around the corner, we're ready to rumble. Alrighty. One more time. Trim. Set her up. There it is. Trim is set. Whoops. Okay, boosters on, mixture.
Circus 14.
Drops up all the way, and back down.
Circus 14, report out.
400 feet directly behind us, about southwestbound, you have a person shooting a green laser at us.
Okay. Oh, that's not good.
Directly over Southern State Parkway.
That's not good. It's not nice. Huh. Alright, so we'll do one more onto runway 1, and then we're going to call it a night. Select approach. GPS 1. Vectors with active.
And Circus 14, sorry about that. I was just taking down your Latin longs of where you reported it. And so was it coming into the cockpit or was it on the side?
Yeah, it came into the cockpit. I looked to the right and it struck me in the eye.
Roger that. Did it injure you at all, or you want to land, or?
Negative. We're good. Yeah, I just wanted to bring that to your attention.
Yeah, no, that's good. We got to report it. And you said it was from the southwest?
From directly over Southern State Parkway.
It's not nice.
Okay, so it appeared to be coming directly from Southern State Parkway.
Affirm.
Roger that. We'll make the report and see if they can get him.
That is not nice. Tower 461 Pop is short of runway 1, Golf 9, ready to go.
Cheers 461 Papa, Roger. And what do you want to do? Left close traffic for runway 1?
Yeah, once more, and we'll call it a night. One more round left traffic to runway 1, yep.
Cheers 461 Papa, Roger that. We did get a report. Actually, let me, Icarus 14, you want to make right close traffic? Maybe that'll keep you away from him?
No, we're going to do left to try and see if we can find it.
Okay, that's what I would do too. Alright, so left close traffic for Icarus 14.
Thank you.
Cheers 461 Pop, it's up to you. You could go left or right traffic. We had a laser report. It looks like it was coming from the Sun State Parkway in the left downwind. So if you want to go right, maybe we'll keep you away from them. And runway 1 at Golf 9, are you clear for takeoff?
Okay, I'll go left traffic, no problem. 461 Pop.
Yeah, so I'm looking at the map right now. It looks like it came from Rose Street.
Rose Street, like the flower?
Affirm, directly over Southern State on the south side.
Just confirm 461 Pop, clear for takeoff.
Here's 461 Papa, yeah, right, 1 Golf 9, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go, runway 1, 461 Pop, thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The power sets. Wheels on the floor.
Would you like an extended downwind for Acres 14?
There's
Acres 14, extend downwind. I'll call you base and let me know if you see it again.
Thank you.
65, 70, rotates.
Republic Tower, good evening, X-ray 8 Papa Alpha Sierra Delta, approaching holding point runway 32.
X-ray 8 Papa Alpha Sierra Delta, Republic Tower, hold short runway 32.
Hold short runway 32 of Alpha Sierra Delta.
And Sirius 461 Papa, I have a departure coming off 32, give me right close traffic for Sirius 10 Papa.
Okay, right traffic to runway 1, 461 Papa. Okay, get above 90 knots here. There she is. Flaps up. Flaps available. 800. Rolling in that right turn. $200 to go. I see it.
X-ray 8 Papa Alpha Sierra Delta, runway 32 at Alpha 1. You are clear for takeoff. Traffic in downwind for runway 1.
Clear for takeoff runway 32, X-ray 8 Papa Alpha Sierra Delta.
Sirius 14, turn your base.
Turn base, Acres 14.
Sirius 461 Papa, Kiwi stand, I'll call you base.
Continue now and you got the base. 461 Papa.
Acres 14, you didn't see that green laser, right?
Negative.
Altitude.
Yep.
Acres 14, runway 1, clear touch and go, left close traffic, cluster wake turbines for departing Gulf Street.
Alright, clear, touch and go, left traffic for runway 1, Acres 14.
And X-ray 8 Papa Alpha Sierra Delta is flight runway heading for now, and you can contact departure. Have a good flight.
Runway heading and contact departure. Thank you, Alpha Sierra Delta.
Park Tower, good evening. From the state 68, short of runway 1, Bravo 6, ready for northeast.
Park State 68, Republic Tower, hold short, runway 1, Bravo 6.
Short runway 1, Bravo 6, on the state 68.
Sirius 461 Papa, turn your base.
Turn the base, 61 Papa.
Sirius 61 Papa, did you get any kind of green laser?
Nah, I'm looking, but I don't see nothing. I got a bunch of GoPros rolling up here too, so if I see anything, I'll have footage for you.
Roger that. Fire State 68, runway 1 at Bravo 6, line up wait, traffic's on a 2 mile final.
Right, runway 1, Bravo 6, on the state 68.
Sirius 61 Papa, will be 1 departure prior arrival.
Copy that, 61 Papa.
Fire State 68 Northeast is approved, runway 1 Bravo 6, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff runway 6 Bravo 6, Northeast approved, runway 668.
Series 461 Papa, runway 1, you are clear land.
Clear to land, runway 161 Papa.
Altitude.
Yep. Too red, too white, doing good. Beautiful. Gas on the right tank. Right tank is good. Undercarriage down lock. Mixture's full rich. Props full forward. All switches are on. Booster. Mixture. Flaps 100. Lights are on.
500.
Checks. Booster. Mixture. Flaps 100. Lights are on. Runway 1. We're clear to land. Peel off that airspeed. A little bit high. Still good. Landing long anyway, we'll come back down golf on the other end there. Gently does it, keep it coming down. There's the reels flashing at us. 78 knots crossing the fence, look at that. Beauty.
Circus 14, extend down, I'll call you base.
Now when you got the base, Circus 14.
Give away that airspeed, let it down. Give it away. Give it away, give it away, give it away.
We notified Suffolk County PD, so we'll see if they catch him.
Copy that.
Gently. Easy. Hold it. Hold it right there. Oops. Easy. Yes. I'm buying every one of them landings tonight. Gently does it. Zoom in here. Cook the brakes.
Series 461 Papa, was this the last one?
That's it for tonight. Yep. We're going back to Alpha when we get out of here at Golf 6.
Roger that. Taxi to Alpha via Golf Delta. How's it going?
Golf Delta back home to Alpha. Appreciate it. Thank you. 461 Papa. See you again.
Fire State 68, frequency change approved. Good day.
Beautiful.
You're not from the State 68.
Beautiful. Beauty. Maybe it was worth sitting in traffic for 2.5 hours, what usually takes me a half an hour on a Sunday morning.
Snickers 14, I got a Challenger about 8 miles out. Unless you can do a short approach, I'm going to have to extend you, or you can do a 360.
After landing.
We can do 360 for Acres 14.
There it is.
Snickers 14, roger that. Just extend another mile, and then you can start the 360.
Yep, that's it.
Mile
Flaps up.
360 for Acres 14.
Coming up.
Thank you, and obviously right 360, please.
Transponder on standby. Let's give that a little juice there, get that oil pressure going away there. There it is. Landing lights will leave on. We need a little guidance on the way home here.
Jet Center 604 on the visual 1 2000, so we are told.
And back home.
Jet Center 604, Public Tower, runway 1, you're clear land. You're first to the field.
Clear land, runway 1, Jet Center 604.
Follow the yellow brick road all the way home. Beautiful thing. Like I said before, I just
Windcom, altimeter 300.
absolutely love the Smart Taxi is your best friend at night time. I'll be the first one to put my hand up and say it is. Because if I was taxiing around here at night,
14, as you make that 360 and
I would be absolutely lost. I mean, it's been a long time since I've flown at night, but
they're about 7 miles out right now, 2,000 feet
this
descending.
is great.
How bad, search on Acres 14.
Here's our parking spot in here. Gently follow the yellow brick road back home, ever so gently. Nice and easy. No need to do any damage. Nice and gently. Way up to the ramp. Yeah, that was interesting. I was going to go to Oxford, and then I'm thinking to myself, you know what? I haven't flown at night forever. I just better make sure I can fly at night. So I hung around the pattern, knocked out a bunch of landings. I think I'm buying all those landings. I mean, I haven't flown at night, like I said, for a long time. But back, I'm not going to call it night currency in the book.
You want to do 360 and then go behind
but,
the calendar?
It's not far off it.
Jet 604, yeah, you're going to follow that Challenger. You want to do another one?
Keep the head going.
We'll do another one, Fergus.
Keep that head on a swivel.
360, and then when you come out, look for that Challenger. At that point, it'll probably be at your 1 o'clock-ish.
Sir, another right 360, and then we'll be looking for the Challenger if you're just working.
Easy. Beauty. Gently does it. There's the SR-22. G6s. Hope to get back in the 22 again soon. I won't go next weekend because the General Assembly and all that carry-on is going on, the Ryder Cup and everything else. So we'll give the airport a miss next weekend, but hopefully we'll see you in the SR-22, maybe the G7. I'll have to get a couple more flights in the G7, and we'll take the cameras along for a ride in the G7 sometime. Alright, this is my spot here. I'm going to pull this into the parking spot. I hear. Gotta get out and see. Yeah, I was beside Victor Bravo. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm going to stop it right here. Cool. Ready. And then lead off. Dead mag check. Good.